under the bridge. Man, that sounded good. I'm about to go for it right here. I had to do one. I had to do a little pull. I'm bored. Yep. Y'all hear that? This thing sounds so good. Oh, he's looking, he's laughing. He likes the Hellcat. Bro, people love this thing. I do too. I mean, when I see a Hellcat on the road, I'm gonna go crazy to see a Hellcat. Bro, this thing is so much fun. Such a beauty. Such a beauty. Bro, this thing sounds so good. I'm in sport mode. I don't even need track. I love the sport mode. Like, this thing sounds good in sport. And that exhaust helps a lot. That's for sure. Suburban, stay over there, please. Thank you. Got a lot of people on the road today. Got a lot of people. But we are coming into the city now. So you know the traffic's gonna be crazy, but there's also a lot of opportunities. Lots of cars. One guy broke down in front. Y'all see that? He broke down. I don't know what happened to him, but hopefully he's good. That's kind of crazy. I'm not gonna lie. All right, we need to get over on the highway. On the highway. Not on the highway, sorry. It's so windy. Y'all can still hear it though. Y'all can still hear that. Hear that one. Is that a TRX coming? No way is that a TRX. I'm not seeing a TRX today. Escalade V? Nah, no Escalade V. Thought it was. Bro, my hair is like getting in my face. But yeah, we got a nice car. This thing sounds so good. Y'all hear that? Bro, that thing just whines. Oh my God, you heard the pop? Bro, my God, the whine. The whine is insane on this thing. Oh man, that whine. All right, this guy's downshifting. Bro, where are we going? This is like all the way in. I've never been on this side of the area before. Wow, I'm like going in these back roads. Crazy. But this thing sounds crazy good. Like that whine. Listen to that. Listen to that whine. And tell me what is better sounding than that. I mean, there's probably a lot of things. They'll say turbo whistle or something, but you cannot disagree with that. That sound it makes though. Like, listen to that. I love it. Bro, this thing sounds crazy. Man, that wind though. Yeah, we can still hear it though. We still know what's going on. Hear that little whining. Yes, sir. Bro, this thing sounds crazy. I could have made it. Anyway. Go. Uh-oh. 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 Bro, what is that smell? This is a weird area. I don't know where I am. You like the Hellcat? Rev it? Alright. Spin it? Nah, I gotta pay for tires. I ain't gonna do that. I'll go up though. You'll hear it. Alright, bro. You trying to make me spin it? I ain't gonna spin the tires for you, but I'll give you some. Alright. Raceless. Alright, here we go. Oh my god, this thing is so quick. Alright. I love this. Let's just chill a little bit. Let's just drive, you know. Let me let you guys listen. I'm not even in the most sport mode now. I got a GT in front. Got a pickup next to me. Just driving, you know, chill. Just chilling right now. I'm in chill mode. I don't really want to. Alright, that's enough. I want to get in front of all these people. Oh, the Mustang's coming. I got him. Oh no, he got over. I said I was in chill mode, and then I just immediately just said, nah, we ain't chill mode anymore. But we are back in chill mode. It's just I want to do a little pull, little tiny pull, baby pull. Oh no. I can't put the power down. All right, I'm coming behind. I'm coming behind. We're just gonna drive behind you, I guess, because I need to get, I think, yeah, but this is nice road right here. We got little curves. Mustang is trying to go. I might have to put it in track if he gets on the highway. I ain't gonna lie. I need to be able to put the power down though. This thing is already like going crazy even in normal mode. Like, it's so crazy how this car is. You don't even need to be in track or anything. It's already go time at all times in this car. Like, I love this car. If you just drive chill, you're gonna have good gas mileage. A lot better than my GT500, that's for sure. This is a much better daily than that. I tried to daily that. Oh my god, bro, I can't do that. I can't do that. That was mean. You can't do that, bro. That's just bad driving. I mean, I hate when people do that. Like, bro, you're gonna hit somebody doing that. Like, I ain't gonna lie. Oh, he's going on the highway? No. Is he going on the highway? Nope. All right, let's go. Come on. Z06. I think it's a Z06 or it's a Grand Sport. One of the Corvettes. Whichever one it is. Want to hear some wine? Oh my god. The wine. The wine is so good. So good. Do a little pull. Yeah. A little tiny pull, baby pull. I ain't really trying to lose too much gas right now. I got like 146 to empty. And that's just because my miles per gallon went down. But we're chilling right now. We're just gonna drive nice and calm. A little calm feel. Oh no, somebody's coming. Wait a minute, excuse me. Do you really? This person really thinks they can go. Look at this, this guy's coming. Watch that. Come here. Come here, I want some content. Be my content. Alright, you know what, he's coming. They can't get this. This car is just insane. Oh, it's a Camry. Look at it. He's coming. Look at them fly. Oh, you thought you could go. Thought you could go. Okay, buddy. This guy is not leaving me alone. I'm gonna have to give him a little goodbye pull. Bye-bye pull, right? Do we do a bye-bye pull really quick? I think we do. Are we good? Am I chilling? Yeah, bye-bye. Downshift. Downshift. One more. Alright y'all, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I'm about done today. And I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Peace.